Today we're talking Ecoeggs. Okay, so what is an Ecoegg? And apart from the flippant answer of that is, it's a capsule that you put some special beads into, which are hypoallergenic. They're very kind chemical wise. They're much better for the environment than the regular washing detergents or washing powders. And you pop this in your washing machine as a replacement for those washing detergents, and it cleans your clothes. Now, we've had this one for about 15 months now, and we're coming towards the end of our second refill pack of the beads that go inside. Now, these beads don't last forever, but they do last a lot of washes. So I think the first pack we had was 50 washes and this is 72 washes, and we're pretty much at the end. So we've done over 100 washes and we've been using it for over a year. Okay, we bought this at a local shop. This is not a paid promotion. We are not getting any money for this. We weren't sent this for free or anything like that. This was paid for by our own money, and we are buying the refills out of our own money, and we're continuing to use it through our own choice. How do you use it? Well, when it arrives, the beads are in separate packets and you have to open this up, put them inside and close it up again. Then all you do is stick that in your washing machine barrel as normal, just as if it was one of those little pod things that dissolves, only this one doesn't. And you wash as normal. You can add fabric softener if you want. You don't have to. We made the decision not to because we wanted to try and cut back on that as well. And to be honest, we've not had any problems. To start with, it was like, oh, because we were so used to that almost overpowering smell that we got from the fabric softener. This does smell, it does, but it is very subtle in comparison. We line dry our clothes. We do have a tumble dryer. We use it very, very occasionally for emergencies only. And to be honest, we haven't had a problem. So that's pretty good. When I mentioned to a friend that I was going to do a review of one of these, she said, "Oh, is it true that when you use them, your whites go off white?" And I thought, I'm not sure I own anything that's white. How do I answer that one? So I asked my husband, because he does. I tend to have mainly dark clothing, which you may have guessed. This is as colourful as I get. But he wears white shirts, white t-shirts, stuff like this and everything. And to be honest, when I asked him, he looked at me as if I'd lost the plot. He was like, "No, of course they don't change colour." You know, you can kind of see the speech bubble, you know, or the thought bubble going, you know, what's she on about? So he's not had any problems. So we are using the same detergent for darks, colours and lights. No problems. So I haven't had an issue with that. I haven't had an issue with my clothing fading either, other than what I would normally expect. I mean, darks fade. It's that simple. Fact of life, unfortunately. But I've not had any unexpected fading. So, what are the pluses? Well, I get a nice glowy feeling because I'm helping the environment, because it's not using harsh chemicals. I know it's going to be safe for my skin because it's hypoallergenic. I don't have to carry lots of big heavy washing detergent, washing powder packaging from the shops anymore, so that's a good thing. And while initially the outlay for this might seem a lot of money, I think we spent about £15–16 on it initially, and then we've bought a refill. Once you buy the actual egg, the refills work out really cheap per wash, so it's a lot cheaper, it's substantially cheaper. And we're already well into pocket with this, so I would say it's economical, and obviously there's less packaging because I'm using the same stuff over and over again, so I'm not having waste packaging. If you are someone who likes seeing the foam and the froth and everything in your washing machine, you won't get that with this. It almost looks like it's in clear water when it's going round, but your clothes come out clean. Yeah, all in all, I'd say after over 100 uses, we are very happy with it. This is not a paid promotion or anything like that. We bought this out of our own money. And would I recommend it to people? Yeah, I would. I mean, obviously try it for yourselves. You know, don't take my word for it. But I would happily recommend this to somebody else because I'm happy using it myself and I'm happy spending my own money on it. And like I say, it's a win-win for me because I'm saving money, I'm helping the environment, and it's actually much more convenient because this, apart from the fact I dug it out of the washing machine earlier to bring up here to do this, it just lives in the washing machine. We do have a little, I suppose there's a small caveat on the convenience. You have to monitor how many washes you do because obviously the beads don't last forever. So we just have a little piece of paper on the side of the washing machine with the fridge magnet, and we just jot down the number, cross it off, write the next number on to keep an eye on it. And it's honestly not an issue. There we go. This is the Ecoegg. It's made in Britain. I believe it's available all over the world. I know it's definitely available in America. And I also believe there are other brands that are similar to this now, but I can't say what they're like because I haven't used them, I haven't tested them. This one I'm happy with. So that's my little bit for the week. My little tip, my little comment, my little throwing this out into the ether. Try one of these. Your pocket will thank you. Your back will thank you when you're having to carry the stuff either to the car or home. I don't tend to do my shopping by car anymore, so my back thanks me. And the environment will thank you. Okay, that's it for this week. Please comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the new direction for the channel. Yes, I am aware I have no idea really what I'm doing about doing reviews. This is just my honest opinion about a product that I'm using. Maybe I'll get a bit slicker as we get into this. And see you around on social media. Take care. Bye bye.